how to make a website on WordPress. Creating a website on WordPress is surprisingly easy even if you're a total beginner. So whether you're building a blog, portfolio, business site, or online store, WordPress gives you the flexibility to do it all without needing to code. So first, go ahead and get a domain name and hosting. So you can buy a domain on WordPress itself by clicking on that add a domain button at the left side of your screen under your website. You can also buy it from other hosting providers such as Bluehost and SiteGround. Now, after you get your domain name and hosting, go ahead and head over into the themes tab. And then once you're on the themes tab, go ahead and choose a theme. So themes control your site's design and layout. Free themes such as Astra, OceanWP, Neve, and premium themes offer more customization. So once you have actually chosen a theme, go ahead and customize your website. Use the WordPress customizer or a page builder like Elementor to edit your homepage, about page, services, and contact page. Adjust images, buttons, and text blocks, and adjust colors, fonts, and layout. Now next, you need to install plugins. Plugins add functionality like contact forms, SEO tools, and security. Some of the must-have plugins would be Yoast SEO, WP Forms, Elementor, and Updraft Plus. Now, after that, you need to create pages and navigation. So you need to build the essential pages such as home, about, services, and contact. And then create a navigation menu so visitors can easily browse your site. Now, once everything looks good, preview your site on desktop and mobile, and then hit on the publish button at the top right of your screen to go live.